Recently I was in Japan for about a month, and because I'm a huge Evangelion fan, I decided to hit up as many Evangelion related places as I could. If you're not familiar with Evangelion, it's like this psychological horror mecha show. All of that together sounds kind of weird, but I assure you it's pretty great. So this video is basically going to be a compilation of all the cool Evangelion related stuff I did in Japan. I went to the only 2 official Evangelion stores. I went to Hakone, which is where Evangelion takes place. I ran into some really weird Evangelion things along the way that I actually got footage of, as well as I bought an Evangelion Lucky Pack, which was kind of like $100 worth of Eva stuff. So at the end of my video, I'm going to show all the Evangelion stuff I bought in Japan and where I bought it. At the beginning of my trip, I visited Hakone. Hakone is famous in the Eva world because it's where Evangelion takes place, and it's famous in Japan as a normal tourist place as well because it has beautiful views of the mountains and it has hot springs. So even if you're not an Eva fan, Hakone is a great place to visit. Being in Hakone was really weird for me because so many places look familiar, just because I've watched Eva way too many times. In Evangelion, when Shinji runs away from home, there's this scene when he's kind of in the mountains and it's very, very foggy. And it's because there's actually active volcanoes that are emitting volcanic gas. So those fog in Eva isn't real fog, it's actually volcanic gas. While in Hakone, you can also take a boat ride across the lake that Rei and Shinji fought Ramiel. That, that crazy angel that's blue, that screeches, and maybe you have no idea what I'm talking about, I'll put in a picture. If you do visit Hakone, make sure you keep an eye out for these Evangelion vending machines. They have this limited edition art on the cans that have the Evangelion characters. I was in love. The amount of stuff in Hakone that you could see in Evangelion could be a video of its own, so I'm just gonna stop there, but it was really cool. So there are 2 official Evangelion stores in Japan. There's the one in Hakone and the one in Tokyo. I mean, everything I kind of heard about this Eva store was that it's kind of small, not as good as the one in Tokyo, but if I'm already in Hakone, I'm a diehard Eva fan, let me tell you. If I'm already in Hakone, I'm going to that Eva store. And I did, and it was super cute, and I'm really glad I went. The store in Hakone had this very traditional Japanese look to it, with little lanterns and wooden shelves. On the merchandise around the store, most of the Evangelion characters were shown in traditional Japanese yukata, and there was this kind of unique merch with a Hakone feel. Very traditional, kind of hot springs-ish, if that makes sense. Souvenirs here were pretty cool because they were kind of regular Japanese souvenirs that you might expect to get anywhere in Japan, but they had a subtle Eva touch. But don't worry, if you want your anime merch to scream, "I love Evangelion," they got you covered too. Especially if you want to drink from what looks like a decapitated waifu in the form of a water bottle. They totally chose the wrong character for these. I was there around Christmas and they had this Evangelion tree with Evangelion angels on it. It was pretty bizarre and I appreciated it. They also have this kind of cute little area that you can buy Evangelion snacks. I got Evangelion ice cream that was stylized like Unit 1 and a dorayaki that had the Nerve logo on it. The other Evangelion store is in Tokyo. It's in an area called Ikebukuro, and it's actually inside a mall called Parco. The Parco Mall is very cool. It often has anime cafes and other kind of nerdy, fun stuff. This Evangelion store isn't so traditional. It has more of a minimalistic, futuristic aesthetic, and the merchandise kind of matches that idea. In this store, there's good quality Evangelion clothes and some expensive Eva jewelry. It also has more normal keychains and collaboration merchandise. This is where I bought my Evangelion Lucky Pack. Some goods are unique to the Tokyo store, and some goods are unique to the Hakone store. Good news is you can also look online for these items. Evangelion is everywhere in Japan, to the point that you can't really avoid it. I've encountered Evangelion without meaning to a number of times. For example, when I was heading to Hiroshima, I saw the Evangelion-themed Shinkansen, going the opposite direction, and I have a clip with my live reaction to that. Is it? Yes, it is! It's an Eva one! Oh, man. If you couldn't tell, I was super disappointed that I forgot about it, and I really wish I would have remembered. It's actually been running for a really, really long time, so when I first heard of it, I just kind of thought, of course it's not going to be there by the time I go. But yeah, it was still running. On my first night in Japan, I went to Coco Ichibanya, which is this popular curry place, and they were having an Evangelion promotion. I think it was like if you ate at Coco Ichibanya, you could possibly win prizes by downloading an Evangelion app. I couldn't download the app because my phone is locked to Canada, and I don't have a Japanese shipping address. It was just really cool to see all the Eva characters on this menu, and I don't know, it was my first night in Japan, so I was just kind of like, holy crap, right? Evangelion is also really popular at pachinko parlors and slot machine places. I found this little cute slot machine that was Eva related, so I decided to try it out. I only tried it out once because I'm not into losing all my money. For this list, I decided that I was only going to put in places that I personally went. There are definitely other cool Evangelion places to visit in Japan. A really popular one is heading out to Fuji-Q Highland, which is a theme park. And in this theme park, they actually have an Evangelion World attraction. I really wanted to go, but fortunately didn't work out with my plans. If there are any other cool Evangelion places you have visited or want to visit, please put it in the comments down below. I'd love to hear it. And now, on to the stuff I bought. Honestly, I'm so excited. I'm really bad. I'm totally materialistic when it comes to merch. I think a lot of anime fans are, I hope. So first I'm going to show you guys all the Evangelion stuff I bought in the Hakone store. So one thing I bought was I bought this Asuka charm. It's Asuka in her yukata, and oh my gosh, I'm just gonna say it now. If you can't tell, I'm a huge Asuka fan. I mean, you couldn't tell from the rest of the video, but now this is kind of like, you know, this is kind of more the chill time. But okay, let me say, Asuka's best girl, Asuka's my best girl. If you like Rei, if you're a Rei person, that is fine. I like Rei too, we can be friends. But just know, Asuka's my best girl. So I also got this other Asuka charm in her yukata. This one's really cute because it's like traditional wood. That's what I kind of meant by the traditional stuff in that store. And it's got a little bell. My favorite thing I probably got at this store was this mug. This is a mug of Evangelion Angel. And like I said, it's that cool traditional Japanese style. This is an Asuka, I forget what this is called. This is a traditional Japanese dagashi, kashi, I forget, some kind of yummy thing though that I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna keep the wrapper. This Asuka rice cracker is, as you can tell, I've destroyed it. I'm still gonna eat it, and I'm gonna keep the sticker because the sticker is super cute. I also got this really cool Eva postcard, Evangelion sticker that I'm probably gonna put on my computer. Other Eva stuff I bought is I bought this package of manju. They were these kaji watermelon manju, which I just thought was really funny and random, so I bought them. I ate them all, so I can't show you, but they came with these stickers, and the stickers were completely random. So I got Rei and I got Mari, but I didn't get Asuka, so you win some, you lose some. Because I won this one! So this was in a gachapon, and I only had a few coins left. And basically I saw that they had this like button and it was Asuka, and I was like, I'm gonna go for it. So I tried and I won her right away, so it's destiny. Now I'm gonna show you guys the stuff I got that wasn't at the official Evangelion store. I got this really cute Asuka sound drop. If you don't know what a sound drop is, basically you press it and it makes a sound. So that was really cute. I wish I could have found more of these. I like the idea of having this on my backpack and just kind of like pressing it and hearing her voice. Yeah. I got this Misato postcard that's actually really iconic because it's the postcard that Misato sends to Shinji in the first episode. And Misato does not have enough merch, and people do not appreciate her enough in our community, Eva community. I love her to death. Now I'm gonna show the stuff that I got from the Evangelion store in Tokyo, Ikebukuro area. I'm first going to show some of the items I got that I bought on my own before buying the lucky pack. One of the first things I bought was this super cute Asuka keychain, and she's in her little bathrobe. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry, I keep saying everything's super cute, but it's super cute, so love her. She's pissed. I actually don't really like when they always have Asuka smiling and cute all the time because that's not really how she is. I also bought this other Asuka keychain, looking super cute, like she do. And I bought another Asuka keychain. This one's super cool because it's so big. Really cool one. Yeah, I'd probably make like a Asuka Ida bag. I actually really want to make a Berserk Guts Ida bag, but I definitely have more Asuka merch because there's more Asuka merch. This is a scarf, and it's basically an Asuka scarf. It's got a bunch of really cool designs. It's got that kind of design that you wouldn't know it's Eva unless you like looked really close and you knew what Eva was. And it's mad dingus because I don't want to forget. I got this at the store in Ikebukuro, this Evangelion hat. I also got this shirt. It's an Asuka shirt. I also got this Evangelion postcard. It came with my stuff. It's for Year of the Dog. The Evangelion stores are really cool because they have kind of like seasonal stuff. Now on to the big Evangelion Lucky Pack I got. So I spent quite a bit of money on this, but the items inside are worth way more money than the total price that I spent. And that's kind of what you get with a Lucky Pack, but I was surprised how generous this Lucky Pack is. Anyways, let's jump into it. So one of the first things I got was this Evangelion Godzilla crossover bag. It's a tote. Godzilla Eva magnet. So I got these Evangelion clear files. These are super dang cute. Got another Evangelion clear file. I got this Shinji and Karu one, and it's really dingus because look, they're holding hands. Very cute. And I got these Evangelion stickers. They're stickers that can go on like umbrellas and clear files and basically plastic things. So don't know what I'm gonna use them for yet, but pretty cool. This Asuka pillow I got has a kind of Madoka witch style to it. I also got this Evangelion bracelet. It's really nice quality. And all this stuff comes with this official Evangelion licensed material kind of sticker on them. So, I don't know, super legit, I guess. This Evangelion hoodie was guaranteed in the bag, and for me, it made the whole bag worth it on its own. Some of the Evangelion goods I got were a collaboration with Osamu Tezuka's works. Very cute. Here's another Tezuka collaboration. This one's a little notebook. This is deco tape. So Tezu and Angel deco tape. This Tezuka angel pin. So this is a notebook that's got the angel in Okinawa with a little friggin' Hawaiian, well, it's Okinawan, but like this little drink. It's really dingus. I like this kind of dingus stuff. This is so messed up. I mean, it's like really dark and then they just make it so cute. This was actually one of my favorite items. So this is an Evangelion style, like it's got the angels on it. It's a little bag. I actually saw this in the store and I thought maybe I should buy it, so that's funny that I got it. Speaking of which, does this look familiar? I got this in the Lucky Pack. Well, really stupid. I actually already bought this. So when I got in the Lucky Pack, I thought it was really funny. But I was also happy because in my Lucky Pack, I got an Asuka charm. So it's like it was destined for me, but at the same time, I already bought this. So I'm not sure. I might make an Ida bag and, you know, sometimes people will have double. Not exactly sure. I might give it to a friend. I don't know. I love Asuka so much. It's really hard to decide. They're so freaking cute. So maybe a little recommendation is, if you're gonna buy a Lucky Bag, buy your Lucky Bag, open it up, see what you got, then go back to the store and buy something. I didn't. I just impulsively bought a bunch of Ava stuff and then bought the Lucky Bag and found I got a repeat. But I only got one repeat, so not too shabby. So that's the end of my Evangelion haul and the end of my video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I kind of got to show you guys how much I love Ava. I actually like a lot of other series a lot. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm a small YouTuber. Not many of you guys are watching, but for everyone that is watching, I super appreciate it. It means the world. So please subscribe, like, you know how it goes, do all that stuff. So I'd just love to talk to more people about anime, really, because otherwise I'm just in my closet, literally in my closet, showing anime stuff to nobody. But you're there, so thank you very much.